Hey everyone! Today, we'll show you how to book a paid meeting using Calendly with PayPal. This setup lets us accept payments automatically when someone schedules a meeting. Great for consultations, coaching, or any paid service. Let's go through it step by step. On the Calendly dashboard, to set up a meeting, we just need to click on Create. Let's say we want to set up a one-on-one meeting. We can select that option and move forward. To make it a paid meeting, we just need to click on More Options, then scroll down to the Payment section. Go to Integrations. From here, we can choose PayPal as our payment method. Just click Connect with PayPal. Once we connect our PayPal account, the integration will begin. We just need to wait a moment for it to load and install properly into our Calendly account. Now we'll update the business account details. Once our business account is ready, we can complete the integration. Our Calendly is now connected to our PayPal account. We can save the changes, set our payment amount, and start booking Calendly meetings with PayPal payments enabled. And that's it. That's how we book paid meetings using Calendly with PayPal. With this integration, we can handle scheduling and payments all in one place.